Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to the second part of our day 3. I know that these words are a little bit longer. These lessons are a little bit longer because there's a little bit more information, a way we're decoding and breaking apart these words this week, especially since we're talking about Latin words, or I'm sorry, Latin root words in our English words. And so I'm going to do a second part to day 3 just so that we get all of our words for this week put into this lesson. So I left you at the end of the last video thinking about what suffix did you see with the word atmospheric. How many of you said I see ick at the end of it? Thumbs up. Yay, I knew you did. I knew you could see it right off the bat. All right, very good. So, same way with our last slide. Atmosphere is still our English word. All right, then we have our Latin meaning, our Latin word and meaning. Sphere is still the same, ball or globe. That's where it originates from. Okay, so that has not changed. Now, this Latin word is going to help me to figure out that our atmosphere must have something to do, again, still with the earth, because the earth is round like a ball or a globe. We know this, all right? But again, when we add, this is our review part, when we add a suffix to the ending of our word, we know that it can change the meaning of that word. So our suffix this time is icy or ick. Doesn't sound pretty good, but ick. And when it's added to a word, it will form adjectives, and it can mean of or pertaining to. Okay, so when I talk about atmospheric now, I get a whole different meaning. It's relating to the atmosphere of the world. And so that's what it means. So it changes it to an adjective. So you're changing it to a descriptive word. So that's how that suffix works on the end of this word. All right, very good. So let's go ahead and end with this second slide right here. Argument. All right, very good. Argument, our English word. Naturally, argument, not a problem. Latin word and meaning, oh, argumentum. Yes, I did have to research and look this up because, like I said, I don't know everything either. So, and I'm not that fluent in Latin, believe it or not. Okay, French, yes, I can do a little bit. Latin, not so good. So, argumentum. It means proof, evidence, token, subjects, content, anything that you can think of that you're going to need in an argument. Because if I'm going to argue with you, I'm going to have my facts. I'm going to have my evidence, and I'm going to know what I'm talking about, right? Ah, you're going to prove your point too. I knew you were a little bit like me. Okay, so this is going to tell me that an argument must have to have facts, and that you must be able to prove your point or your reasoning behind something. If you want to go somewhere or if you want to buy something, don't you give your parents the reasoning behind why you think you should have it? You prepare a good argument. You get your facts, you get your proof, you get your evidence ready so that you can present it to them. Trust me, my kids do it all the time. Now, so our new meaning is a fact that can be used to prove that something is true in meaning. Okay, so that's going to wrap up day 3's set of words, the second version or the second video. You guys did a great job. I'm proud of all the brain power that you used today, and I will see you for day 4. Have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye for now.